water in a pan, add some oil and a pinch of salt in it, give it a good boil. Now add chow in it. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high flame. Turn off the flame when it is 80% cooked. Drain the water immediately. Cut the vegetables of your choice that you want to add in Chowmean. Now turn on the flame, heat a pan and add oil to it. When oil becomes hot, add onions to it and cook it for few seconds. Now add carrot, cabbage and white portions of spring onion. Add capsicum. Cook it for another 8 to 10 seconds on high flame. Add vinegar, soy sauce, green chili sauce, and you can also add red chili sauce to it. Also add tomato ketchup. Now add the chow. Add salt, Maggi masala for amazing taste in it, mix it or toss it for a minute on high flame. Also add spring onions to it and toss it. Turn off the flame and take it out in a serving plate or bowl.